Anna, and today I'll be your host. As we get older, we have trouble hearing and seeing or doing two things at once. This makes navigating our environment really tricky. So we are working really hard to understand how to keep people active and mobile at home and in their community. Welcome to StreetLab. Come, please join me. Oh my goodness, this looks just like the streets of Toronto. In StreetLab, the scenery is so lifelike. There's sounds all around me, like cars whizzing, birds in the trees, and people talking. The treadmill makes it feel like you're really walking through the streets of Toronto. Well, it was nice meeting you today, but I'm off to see my friends at Toronto Rehab. Bye!